Okay. Whoa.
Its feathers are growing everywhere, Joe.
Buddy.
It's stuck on its rope.
Dude, are you recording?
Yeah.
Okay, we found this bird tied to this string. We're trying to help him.
And it's bleeding on its foot. It has a cut foot, if she'll show you.
Buddy.
Ooh, see that? Well, maybe we can get closer.
Gee, go get me some scissors now.
It's a once-in-a-lifetime thing, Joel. I feel so bad for it. We need to help this bird. This bird's stuck in its foot. It's bleeding. I need scissors. What? There's a bird outside that's stuck. Bird got it stuck. Oh. Okay, I got the scissors. She's not going to cut it. Dang if it does not squirm.
Ow!
Did it peck you?
Stop.
Its feathers are everywhere now. It's going to cut it.
Stop biting me.
I really want to feel it. Oh, it's bleeding more, Joe. Oh. Anytime it squirms. Look how clean that is. It's like a clean cut.
Free, bud.
It's a poor robin. Oh. There she goes. There she goes. Maybe it's gonna be okay. It's okay, Robin. Oh, isn't it sad? Just sitting there looking at something.
There's one cut.
I need more.
He's breathing hard. He'll be free, bud.
He'll be free. Oh, this poor little bird. I've never thought I'd see a bird this close before. Or somebody holding it.
Hey, no nipping. No nipping.
Say hi to your friend.
Ow, you bite hard, sucker.
Can I feel its body? Ooh. Ooh!
It's okay.
Its feathers are cool. But I just want to help this thing.
Just trying to help you, bud.
Hopefully he'll be okay.
I have to show my mom this. Can you show my mom this video?
Yeah.
Still recording?
Yes. I feel bad for this poor bird. All of his feathers are coming out. He's stuck. He needs some help. Maybe some of it's stuck in there still. Oh, the end of it's stuck on its side. And it just bit her again.
We're going to take you to a safe place.
Come on. Let's take this poor bird. Kobe? Can I keep Kobe here? Wait. I want to see you put the bird up with the recorder. We are going to help this